Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked at the Japanese diet and wondered, how do they eat so much rice and stay so slim? It's a question that puzzles a lot of people, especially when we're constantly told that carbs are the enemy of a trim waistline. Well, today, we're diving deep into this fascinating topic and uncovering the secrets behind Japan's healthy relationship with rice. Trust me, the answer is more complex and interesting than you might think. It's not just about what they eat, but how they eat it. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's unravel this mystery together. First things first, let's bust a major myth. Not all rice is created equal. The rice predominantly eaten in Japan is short-grain white rice, often steamed or boiled. Unlike the fried rice or heavily processed rice dishes common in many Western diets, Japanese rice is typically prepared with minimal oil and salt. This simple preparation method keeps the calorie count down and preserves the integrity of the grain. It's served as a staple, a perfect, fluffy base that complements the other components of the meal, rather than overpowering them with added fats and sodium. This foundational difference in preparation is the first crucial piece of the puzzle. It's about purity and simplicity. Now, let's talk about the star of the Japanese meal, Ichiju Sansai. This literally translates to one soup. 3 sides, and it's the traditional structure for most Japanese meals. Imagine your rice, a bowl of soup and dishes. These sides usually consist of a main protein, like fish, and 2 smaller vegetable dishes. What does this do? It automatically creates balance and portion control. The rice isn't a giant mountain taking up half the plate. It's one component among many. This structure ensures a diverse intake of nutrients, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals all in one sitting. The rice provides the satisfying energy, while the other dishes provide the nutrition and flavor. It's a genius way to eat a well-rounded meal without even thinking about it. One of the biggest secrets lies in the concept of hara, hachi, bunmi. It's a Confucian teaching that means eat until you're 80% full. This isn't just a quaint saying. It's a practice deeply ingrained in Japanese culture. By stopping before they feel completely stuffed, they naturally consume fewer calories. Eating slow-side using smaller bowl chopsticks all contribute to this mindful approach. The rice, being a complex carbohydrate, provides a slow release of energy, which helps you feel fuller for longer. When you combine this with the practice of not overeating, you get a powerful combination for weight management. It's about listening to your body's signals of satiety, not just eating until the plate is empty. But wait, there's more to the rice itself. Japanese rice is a type of resistant starch, especially when it's cooled down, like in sushi or onigiri rice balls. What is resistant starch? It's a type of carbohydrate that resists digestion in the small intestine and ferments in the large intestine. Essentially, it acts more like a dietary fiber. This process feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which is fantastic for your digestive health. A healthy gut microbiome is increasingly linked to better weight management, reduced inflammation, and overall well-being. So, the very nature of the rice they eat is working in their favor, supporting their metabolism from the inside out. Let's also consider the company rice keeps on the plate. Japanese meals are packed with nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods. Think about it. Grilled fish rich in omega-3 south, steamed vegetables, seaweed full of minerals, tofu, and fermented foods like miso and natto. These foods are incredibly healthy. The rice acts as a neutral, satisfying canvas for these powerful flavors and nutrients. It's not paired with heavy, creamy sauces or deep-fried items. Instead, It's the partner to some of the healthiest ingredients on the planet. The overall dietary pattern is what truly matters, and in Japan, rice is part of a very healthy team. Beyond the dining table, the Japanese lifestyle itself promotes physical activity. While they may not all be gym fanatics, daily life involves a lot more movement. People walk or cycle to train stations, take the stairs, and generally have a more active commute. This concept is called incidental exercise. It's not a formal workout, but it all adds up. This consistent, low-intensity movement throughout the day helps burn the energy provided by their rice-based diet. So, the calories they consume from rice are effectively used as fuel for their daily activities, rather than being stored as fat. It's a perfect synergy between diet and lifestyle. Another key aspect is the cultural perception of food. In Japan, food is treated with respect and mindfulness. The presentation is beautiful. Meals are rarely eaten on the go. And there's a deep appreciation for seasonality and freshness. This cultural reverence for food encourages a slower, more conscious eating experience. When you're truly paying attention to your food, its textures, its flavors, its appearance, you're more likely to recognize when you're full and feel more satisfied with your meal. This mindful eating is the complete opposite of mindlessly munching on a bag of chips in front of the TV. The rice, in its simple white bowl, is a symbol of this pure, focused approach to nourishment. It's also important to note the beverages they drink with their meals. You won't typically find large sodas or sugary juices on a traditional Japanese dinner table. The most common drink is green tea, which is calorie-free and packed with antioxidants called catechins. Some studies suggest that these compounds can give a slight boost to metabolism and aid in fat burning. Sipping hot tea throughout the meal also encourages you to eat more slowly and aids in digestion. So, while the rice provides the energy, the accompanying tea supports the body's ability to process it efficiently, without adding any empty liquid calories. So, to bring it all together, the secret isn't a single magic bullet. It's a beautiful combination of factors. It's the type of rice and its simple preparation. It's the Ichiju Sansai meal structure that ensures balance and portion control. It's the mindful practice of hara, hachi, banh or eating until 80% full. It's the scientific benefit of resistant starch for gut health. It's the incredibly healthy foods that rice is paired with, like fish and vegetables. It's an active lifestyle with plenty of incidental exercise. And finally, it's a deep cultural respect for food that promotes mindful, slow eating. The Japanese diet teaches us that carbs are not the enemy. It's our relationship with them that matters. Instead of eliminating rice, they embraced it, building a sustainable, healthy, and delicious dietary framework around it. It is a holistic approach where every element works in harmony to support a healthy body and a long life. It's about balance, moderation, and mindfulness lessons we can all learn from. So, what do you think? Does this change your perspective on rice? It's a great reminder that a healthy lifestyle is about the big picture, not just demonizing one food group. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next exploration into the world's health secrets.